Welcome back to our channel. In our first video, we laid the foundation of supply chain management, highlighting its importance and relevance in today's world. Missed it? Don't worry, you can still catch it by clicking the link in the description below. Today, we're taking the conversation a step further as we explore Oracle Supply Chain Management, an industry-leading solution renowned for its versatility and innovation. But before we dive into the details, let's first talk about Oracle itself. Oracle is a pioneer in enterprise technology, offering comprehensive ERP solutions to industries worldwide. From manufacturing and retail to healthcare, logistics, and even recreational activities, Oracle's expertise in SCM spans across multiple verticals. Gartner's latest report positions Oracle SCM Cloud as a top leader, praised for its ability to execute and its visionary roadmap, reaffirming its status as a trusted solution for modern supply chains. This leadership drives an ever-growing demand for professionals skilled in Oracle SCM Cloud. As businesses embrace digital transformation in their supply chains, opportunities in supply chain planning, procurement, logistics, and inventory management are expanding rapidly. Whether you're a student exploring career options or a professional looking to upskill, expertise in Oracle SCM Cloud opens the door to rewarding and lucrative careers worldwide. Now let's turn our focus to the fundamentals of supply chain management from Oracle's perspective. In this video, we'll break down key concepts, explore Oracle SCM Cloud's transformative role, and understand its impact across industries. Remember the coffee example from our previous video? Let's brew it again. Every exceptional cup of coffee starts with sourcing the finest beans. Oracle Procurement Cloud is designed to streamline this critical first step, from identifying trusted coffee bean suppliers to managing contracts with farmers. Imagine collaborating with suppliers to secure premium beans during harvest seasons, or building long-term relationships that guarantee a consistent supply of high-quality coffee. This module simplifies these intricate processes through features like supplier collaboration, automated purchasing workflows, and cost optimization. By ensuring efficient procurement at competitive costs, businesses can lay a strong foundation for sustainable and profitable operations, leaving more time to focus on delivering exceptional coffee experiences. Once the coffee beans are sourced, they embark on a transformative journey to become the product we enjoy daily. Oracle Manufacturing Cloud plays a crucial role in ensuring these processes run smoothly, efficiently, and cost-effectively. Imagine a production line roasting beans based on demand forecasts and quality benchmarks. This module optimizes production schedules, tracks costs meticulously, and integrates seamlessly with inventory and supply planning modules. By maintaining streamlined operations, Oracle Manufacturing Cloud ensures that coffee products reach the market on time, in the right quantity, and at the highest quality, avoiding delays, reducing waste, and supporting sustainability efforts. Oracle Inventory Management Cloud seamlessly complements the procurement and manufacturing process by providing real-time tracking of stock levels. With features like automated reordering, visibility across multiple locations, and expiry tracking, inventory management is all about orchestrating the perfect balance between demand and supply. But how are these components planned individually? That's where Oracle Supply Chain Planning comes in, ensuring seamless alignment and optimization. And the best part? We'll be covering these planning strategies in detail, so stay tuned until the end. By aligning sourcing and manufacturing with streamlined inventory management, Oracle enables businesses to optimize warehouse operations, minimize waste, and enhance overall efficiency, delivering value at every step of the supply chain. When a popular cafe chain places bulk orders for specific coffee blends or customers order their favorite coffee online, Oracle Order Management Cloud ensures a seamless process from start to finish. This module handles flawless order capturing, efficient processing, and timely fulfillment. Whether it's managing large-scale shipments to cafes or tracking individual deliveries for online customers, Oracle Order Management Cloud guarantees accuracy and speed. The result? Happy customers and streamlined operations for businesses. Accurate demand forecasting is essential for coffee companies, particularly during seasonal peaks or promotional events. For instance, during the winter season, The demand for hot beverages, such as premium coffee blends or spiced lattes, often surges. This seasonal spike necessitates precise planning to satisfy customer needs while avoiding overstocking. Oracle Demand Management Cloud leverages advanced data analytics and AI-driven models to predict demand with precision. It ensures that the right quantity of coffee beans is procured, roasted, and stocked to align with winter market trends. This proactive approach minimizes waste, avoids stockouts, and empowers businesses to meet customer expectations effectively during peak seasons. Aligning supply with demand is essential for maximizing profitability. With Oracle S&OP Cloud, coffee producers can synchronize sales forecasts with production schedules, ensuring seasonal blends are available right when customers want them. This strategic alignment allows coffee companies to manage demand spikes without overwhelming production teams or suppliers. By balancing sales forecasts with manufacturing and supply chain capacities, Oracle S&OP Cloud helps streamline operations, reduce waste, and ultimately boost efficiency and profitability. Oracle Supply Planning Cloud not only optimizes the supply schedules of coffee beans and finished products to ensure timely delivery to cafes, retailers, and direct consumers, but also accounts for critical factors like route efficiency, cost minimization, and resource availability. This module evaluates constraints related to manufacturing capacities, procurement lead times, and resource availability to propose the most efficient and feasible supply plan. By balancing these constraints with business priorities, Oracle Supply Planning Cloud delivers a schedule that aligns perfectly with organizational goals, while maximizing profitability and ensuring customer satisfaction. Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud modules integrate seamlessly, delivering measurable benefits across every stage of the supply chain. It goes beyond simply managing supply chains. It transforms them. Here's how. Agility. Real-time data allows businesses to respond swiftly to market changes, minimizing risks and maximizing opportunities. Efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks saves time and reduces errors, enabling employees to focus on strategic initiatives. Sustainability. By optimizing logistics, reducing waste, and improving resource utilization, businesses contribute to a greener planet. Customer delight. Faster deliveries, accurate order tracking, and high-quality products create exceptional customer experiences. Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud empowers businesses to outpace the competition, lower operational costs, and create lasting value for their customers. By embracing these solutions, companies not only drive their success, but also contribute to building a more sustainable and customer-centric future. Thank you for joining us as we explored Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud and its game-changing modules. Ready to dive deeper into any of these topics? Subscribe to our channel for in-depth tutorials, real-world case studies, and expert insights. See you in the next video.